Now this is the reason why I don't like this tub here, because the controls are facing in, because it'll always leak. As you can see here, see the color of the foam here? Easiest way to figure out if there's a leak or was a leak, it's darker. So all that darker foam, it's right around the whole thing. So I know this has been leaking. So I gotta redo that. So I gotta pop that off and re-silicone it. So what we're gonna do is just clean up all this foam around it, so you have better access to it. Just clean it all up. When you do this, there's two screws. There's one underneath here, there's one over here. I think there's one there. The only way you can get to this is you gotta peel off this sticker. So overlay, it's called an overlay. And before you do all that, you're gonna have to order another one, because you don't want that exposed. So you're gonna have to order a new overlay. That's just gonna peel right off like that. So you're gonna get a blade, and they go all the way around like that. Get a screwdriver, pry it. Gonna go around, clean all this up, all around, dry it all up. So you're gonna put silicone, a lot of it all the way around. Just put tons of it, because there's this sticker here is no longer gonna help. So we're gonna have to silicone the crap out of it, like everywhere. Everything's on there, so most topsides I can just put a weight on it, but because this is on an angle, I can't really push it, hold it down. And the screws, there's no screws there. There should have been, but there's no screws, so it can't suck it down. So that's why make sure you silicone the crap out of it, and then just take that excess. See, there's a gap all the way around it, so you don't want that. By the time we go all the way around, it's going to be filled. Just clean it all up. And that's it for that.